your toes beyond your knee. And if not, scoot your toes a little bit further out. Make sure that even with your knee deeply bent, you can still see your toes past them. Okay. Now arms come up overhead. This is called warrior one. Look up to the sky, sink a little deeper into that front leg, and breathe. From here, send your hands back behind you and tip your body forward over your front thigh. This is thunderbolt. Breathe. Send the crown of your head as far as you can forward, and then reach your heel back down into the ground, feeling as long as you can. Now let your hands just swing down, reach for your right wrist, straighten your front leg, and pull your right side body open. Sky archer pose. From here, open your arms out wide to a T, bend your front knee once again, and then bring your gaze over your right fingertips. This is called warrior two. Now let your left hand find your left thigh, and reach up to the sky with your right hand, reversing your warrior, and then straighten your front knee as you flow all the way down to triangle pose. So we've got straight legs, straight arms, gaze comes up towards the ceiling, and find some leverage as you press against your leg to open and rotate your chest upward. This is triangle. Good. That's the whole flow. And now we'll do it again facing the other direction. So now point your toes towards the left. Left toe faces the other side. So now your body is facing your left foot. And then bend your left knee. Adjust your feet so that you can still see your toes beyond your bent knee. Maybe widening your stance a little bit if necessary. And then lift your arms up to the sky and your gaze up to the sky. Warrior one. Breathe here. Sink deeper into that lunge in your front leg. Roll your shoulders down and back, lift your chin, lift your gaze, and then take your body forward. Stretch your hands out behind you, energize each fingertip, spreading your fingers nice and wide apart from each other. This is thunderbolt. Charge your feet down into the floor, pressing the floor away with all the muscles in your legs, activating each muscle isometrically as you press into the floor. And now relax your arms. Reach for your left wrist. And in one big sweeping motion, straighten your left knee and pull your left side body open, sky archer pose. Now open your arms to a T. And bend your left knee again. Bring your gaze over your left fingertips, warrior two. Sink just a little bit deeper. Check to make sure you can still see your toes. And now reverse that warrior. Bring your left or your right hand down. Left hand up. And then sweep your arm all the way down towards your calf or your ankle as you straighten your left leg and then look up towards your right hand. Press against your left leg to open your chest and twist a little bit upwards. Press your toes into the floor. Activate your legs. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. Now come back up. entire flow. So now what we're going to do is all of those poses again, and we'll move quicker. One breath for each movement. So starting with your toes, pointing to the right. Let's find warrior one. Inhale, warrior one. And then exhale, hinge forward at the hips. Reach your hands back, thunderbolt. Inhale, reach for your right wrist, straighten your right leg. Sky archer. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. And then exhale, triangle pose. Inhale, come back up and switch your toes to the other side. Bend your left knee. And then find your warrior one on the left. Exhale, hinge forward. Inhale, reach for your wrist, straighten your left leg. And find sky archer pose. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. And then exhale, triangle pose. So that's the whole flow. One breath per movement. Now that we've done it together 2 times, let's try it one final time and see how fluid you can be with your movements. Starting with warrior one. So turn your toes back towards the right. Bend your right knee. Lift your arms up. And then exhale forward. Thunderbolt. Reach for your wrist. Inhale, sky archer. And then exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, triangle pose. Inhale, come up and switch. And then exhale, start to find that warrior. Inhale, arms all the way up, warrior one. Exhale, thunderbolt. Reach for that wrist. Inhale, all the way up, sky archer. And then exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. And exhale, triangle pose on the left. Inhale all the way up. Find a 5-pointed star. Press your hips and your chest forward as you open and tip your chin up towards the sky. That is the end of our practice today. So we will end in mountain pose. Bring your feet just underneath your hips. Ground them down. Press your big toe, your pinky toe, and your heel into the earth. And then let your arms drop. Roll your shoulders down and back, and then open your thumbs outward, rotating your palms to the front. And then pull your chin in just a little bit to balance your head right on top of your spine. And settle into this perfect posture in mountain pose. Close your eyes and take 3 breaths. Bring your hands to heart center. At the end of each practice, we say a word in Sanskrit that says Namaste. And what that means is, the light in me honors the light in you. Now we can say it together. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for yoga today. My name is Michelle. I'll see you next time.